the chorus of weather radios right before I go to school.
Chesapeake Bay from Windmill Point to Little Creek, Virginia. James River from Jamestown to the Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel, York River, until 7:30 a.m. At 6:29 a.m., line of strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pocosin to 8 nautical miles southwest of Burnwell Bay, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Point Comfort, Burwell Bay, Pocosin, Pilgrim Bay, Coleman Bridge, Tuesday Marshes Light, York Spit Reef, Buoy 36A, Hampton River Inlet, James River Bridge, Bluefish Rock, The Hub, the Sullen Cherry Stone Reef. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Thank you, Wakefield.